on the lid factory. Come here, Cookie. Come here. That's gotta be country road. That's gotta be country.
Life is
Edi
basket.
ba? Chef,
It's
sabi
the
nga ni
best.
dami-dami.
You can bust my hair. I'm just anywhere. Imagination. Life is your creation.
Wala kayo.
Just
So what's
five!
up?
Oh! No, the song is wrong timing!
Teka
Oh,
lang.
I
Okay lang
couldn't
siya.
pause it.
Okay lang yan.
For some reason, bro, my phone couldn't pause it.
Why
Bro,
gotta be
sabi
so
nung wood
violent?
baton, nung wood baton. Miguel, sell the wood, but get Miguel. Don't fight
Wala
with that.
dito, wala
Get,
dito.
go back, Miguel. Miguel, go back. Miguel, Miguel, go back. Miguel, the wood baton, Miguel.
Yeah, better not touch me.
Oh, Miguel, I'm spectating you. Put it in there. Put it in there. Yeah, put it there. Yeah, there. Put it. Put it.
Yeah,
Place it.
big ass forehead. Better not touch me.
Let's go. Okay, it doesn't work. So Miguel. Bro, wood baton is useless.
Oh my god, how are y'all dying?
The thing keeps playing on its own.
Bro, ba't nyo
Revive
ba kasi
natin si
binili
ano?
ng wood baton? It's
Saan
useless.
si Nigel? I'm gonna revive Nigel. I don't know where else is.
Revive me, bro. Get a valuable and... Yeah. Get a
Sell all the
valuable.
items, bro. Sell everything.
Bro, you guys don't need to revive us. Just depart, then we're gonna automatically revive.
Okay,
Not
okay, I
revive
got
me,
it, bro.
Kenabo!
We don't need to revive